So my name is Krista McCracken, and I am the researcher and curator in the Shingwauk Residential School Center, which is housed at Algoma University. The Reclaiming Shingwauk Hall exhibition is dedicated to telling the history of the Shingwauk Residential School and exploring the history of residential schools in Canada. And it's actually the first of its kind in Canada in that it was survivor-driven, it exists in a former residential school building, and it's a permanent exhibition. There's only 14 residential school buildings that are existing across Canada still, and Algoma University is located in one of those buildings, making this a really unique space in how it shares history, and it's an educational space for the community and public. We're also seeing a huge increase of visitors coming to Sault Ste. Marie from Southern Ontario as far as New Brunswick and Quebec because they recognize that this is such a unique space and a unique project. So this nomination really represents a recognition of the work the survivor community has been doing since the residential school closed, advocating for their history to be preserved and told on the national scale. I think that's so significant and so special.